Hello guys, so today I am going to tell you how to increase the volume of your device beyond the capability it has. For example, here you can see that the volume is now full for my device. I can't increase the volume more. However, in some devices, even this full volume might feel less. So for increasing more, you just need to come to Play Store and search for app Boost Volume. You need to search for this app. After searching, you need to install this app and then open this. After opening it, you can see that the volume is already 100%, but I can boost it more. If I boost it to 40% more, then my volume will become 140%. So in this way, you can boost the volume of your device even beyond its capability. Thank you.